That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, mejor Ŋdi Wɔna madoza na viva bem batido Ŋdi Wɔna bom de fatão na boa enya bomba panami abale que bi chona bem batido batidi que nyano popom di sian di que magami aboga chofia basra gao maduta fache gana wana mate jakoma kaba bale que ujago ufere kabaro takrita ni duta fache gana de mata nyaje wana kuma mata bele nsedo amanya ya ko kanya zorongo akpo nkanya njoka kamiaro chunya plantom de fia ngango ile akpo nyakawe kaka zu hachi association le kana opasakba ndia ke na ya nya atung nya ro yo ke uchupa tatu ko yo ke kamile afia que donc jiba chimpuga hostel yenyele labo atwa garmia ja premiachi alava nepo na naga no ale wolle fifia 0242670773 and number ke atem aza ato akon achia akapa plan 0242670773 and number ke atem acho ako agara kama kapli ke dia nia anom antem ajugo katam ala niao de ka polo habo atuona te yo ke dakbane muslim save dictionary pola heba ni bache le rich teachers bauto awianam madu madakbana nyapa hutisna machia untuame pola Richmond Edem Kofi Potosu ba ihalam banan akbana mikata nauna dunsen nyameoka nyakbom e ntitele nyacharu nyatemnya milion albo nyakperwonanchi albo wona nalika ucha mauha ayirami. All right. Gare me a motivational segment where I mungkin a motivational message. So let's go to our motivational segment. Welcome you to the beginning of the morning edition of our shows here on Ewenyigba TV. Life lessons. People teach better lessons than books. So that is where we have the life lessons. People teach better lessons than books. So you see something on a screen turn upside down or sliding forward. That tells you that life itself is not a straight scale. Things happen to teach us lessons. So when things happen to us, let's harvest the lessons and grow. I'm rookie to Nyaro, Kenya Chozo, never zona like Boye Yere kwa ancien jo un so son agba un so son nchie bo bomba amo fiana mi so niafe bani ke mi sona ncham ikanya unya so son sijeja ikenya cho so na fa bazoni o manya ba o ma ko no na ke amo fiana mi ke na nya gbo mo lele etepa nko je be miawo alo nkai masha efia be nyanya we kayo kremichana alo ha duma banono enyenyi ke ha kuhia kwa so be bon so sorry nyam so sonyo matutu aroli onye matutu nyo arolia onye professor da a hore je kanala gare doganala a share chaganala bakpare mai kai ganala batokato igona nunya zuga aba anyato ni kama tuganala ni so ni kama tuganala banyo professor aduke no anya kare ke chaganala sonde ke daganala ahnya de ke jaganala tore ko ganala alo aware ke boganala le te fare ya ta nya sonde ke nya zon kwa sube magano professor ano miuka majo matum le agbamo kira kwa alaka mchewe nyade alo ase egofon so son komenya ke nyazonko akpo kaweganye nyajo choyo ke nyajo donc le nyafa ntoma right kanyaiholiday.com nyakpo kawi nyajo choyo ke le nyafa ntoma lo ke nyafa ntoma gamsuba nya babo yuna nyano da kawo nya nyana ne ke le chichina mala gogo ya mo fon chuma shai kple sonne ke nya pere nyano vionchi nya sonne ke nya pere nyano onchi nya sonne ke nya da basha abo bato suba nya a yengo abadueni nya sonne ke nya pere nyanto nya tonchi nya la gogo all right miraholiday.com yapo anukawele afuma ntia all right achoy kawaya hose bagare jile bintoma fumanya ko dukopola no ala wa kirako udugbara dakbara mau ta nyanya banto nyanya kaka de yakola garo di makareje Mohammed's showers please sets national prayer tune achoy kawaya chino jajam arabo lechiama ye nyapa du kopula John Dramani Mahama nongone badura go subalao woji there shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of God. Yenye haikemia kudukopera chicho on the National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving. So that's how we have that day. Kose habo kata jaba mnoga subona ala mnoga suna Kristo kata ukufu alabo dubaracho in National Day of Prayer. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of God. There shall be seasons refreshing. So among funchu nyamang alabwe le ebama among funchu nyamang eba ala krato gwamu adiama o toto pipitoro nkenya nwa nkafa hajimimile nkafa kpedamile na mawu nkenya nwa iko koda tuma idata nyano boblomba nya kpedam na mawu echiamode echiaka jama morama enye showers of blessing alonka so mi gagara nyama na fugani tana mitoji wana bana takakege na fugani Gina. Alright, laholiday.com migap se enyare echo. Alajo man demands 3,000 cedis to rescue flood victims. Alajo man demands 3,000 Ghana cedis to rescue flood victims. Achokeba ya warechi atomekota gan glubu Michael Alajo fanya glomimile ke echoy keba ya amarechi gota mama ke nad motoy ken ji ko do ke kpona etane afoku pata ko jojo o maten wa ade amane cham tare kajare ke oyo yon pe ko ba atinka le training video man ebe no ko 3,000 ai alo no ko 3,000 mana ya ten ade amia ke ku hachi wa ke chitomam to o shogani alo o kokani o leka rashi hekere kotalame fluchi agare wa so amakuku akode kotokuma ble sitokwe ogali bleka odoko nyana ne kenye trending news trust me majiwe nyakoma apon chonchi jaja dokele nyafe amaga yo ke nye nad motoyoshi how prepared is nadmo how trained is nadmo the kajabano ko akbeton 3,000 yo bia araba no twene tabade ameke chitomako o twene hako arama ha. So that's a big story and we will be looking at that. Jaja doke kiale nyafa chiru dope oka o chomo daroba no okbutane nyako kuhiao. How sure are we that these people are truly trained, really trained to do the job? So that is a big conversation we're having today. Napoganda mama kona marupo a chiblang again, which hope, consolation, and comfort to all those who have been affected. All right. Ke nya azorango akbo enyarao yokegalak banamahame. Adam Sagwefia Touts Mahame Sports Revival Blueprints. Adam Sagwefia Galifi India. Boye Senior High School teacher faces arrest, pay frozen. Chichare yike phone call dire nyako phone okatanji. Are ivari ni manyako save mi option. Ba adusuku football Boye Senior High School. Sukukoko yike the school of the Boye Intome, the science laboratory. Chichama yike wo panama ikado into evia chichi bo la bon into ma fe enya e ganye ya wo chicha shijo o chicha jima sre fia mo pom o gbagba sha gbagba jombe asina ka chicha mo pom ta ji o foto we pana suku de nya ji bogbombe yo bia we twa kata na prenchi yo fia yo fi ka chicha ba shie ka o ji bobe you do show for 2 years, Tamaka for home. So, police high school teacher faces arrest and pay frozen. Zuma defends South Africa's xenophobia stance. Zuma defends South Africa's xenophobia stance. Zuma, Ikenyan Gobe Nolane, South Africa view Hovare, Betatu Commission Chivo, Nojo. Upon Maya Jacob Zuma, I can't go Kukuto au Zuma bubu Zuma la maza yo ba ni junior kunya ba yo fa to call nanya yo to ablora to come mumi oro sono to come yo maji amara to peta to call kama bo vano fu domna yo le yonto yo do nyama hanye enyare ke kaka ke nagama swami afo choma. In that same light, Ghana shot dead as xenophobic attacks. Ghanaian shot dead as xenophobic attacks escalate in South Africa. And yare hanga to South Africa to come in wo the to South Africa. Wo the to South Africa. Alo to Balo Ghana Ghanaian shot dead as xenophobic attacks escalate in South Africa, the Ghana Yare, South Africa, Joe Ikabai. Remain united, Eric Obuoba, the grassroots voice and aspiring national executive member of the ruling National Democratic Congress. Remain united, Eric Obuoba, who is an aspiring national executive committee member. So we have it on the screen, the aspirant for the ruling National Democratic Congress, NDC. He is vying to be appointed as a National Executive Council member, or voted into the National Executive Council, and he's emphasizing unity. Unity is key. Electioneering, factionalism, sloganeering, and divisive politics will not help at this time. The Kaja Funkopon, TV, I get Eric Oboba, Boklon Pilakobe, China, so Bonogland, Patia, Nola, Alo, Hammer, Magal, Nukele, National Democratic Congress, Antonia, Abraham, Melfia, China, Basube, Yazu, Nola, Alo, Yezu, Bonogla, Automatoraka, Kerbo Blomber, the cow here, Amenvela Meji. I am for poor and for what policy will not bring progress. We have to be united as a party or the party. There must be unity at this time of reorganization from the grassroots up there. And so that's what we have here. Nyakon Polo, everybody with Ŋdi Wɔna, Enya Jim Tony Makwenya, Nyaplo Makoto Chupiare, Namatrova, Nia, Ayiwanachi, Makakashu Tiyamu, Nebona.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e pass K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view canola basic level. And you know Americanola SHS. And you know Americanola university. Alola language on. Nanya make a maneuver by view. And be a strong but praha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know how. I'm a Sammy Canania by the Mujura Po. And be a strong but baha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. At place order Amazon. Allo number I can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also have a African la. Nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel bo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quấy lầm rồi cái tụi bụi ta đã too much traditory một những quăng rất là kết là những mà phải phân những mà ta thăng mặt chung mà nó chỉ có luôn
ta đã nói Abraham khi bà đã khai nên là apa chỉ cái quan niệm của Boye à but husband đã đi làm nó phía cô ina tuna fa gara wonye ya nya pa no fa sibra ni ko hi won tam nya ni fura wa wala fa ti ko nya ko katara gbe
bo mo no ti ko ku no to e pro
va vai batakalu subo ita bi ga da de secrement tonto wala fa ti ko wa busielo we to fira
we yire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plan na zama Fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika nyato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
nina nemi ayi vola eba senda afima mi apoda yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to woni do wa eti ma kolo no ba na ile vola eba senda ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka ma tutu dokada vola eba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo ye vo
yo mi apel porom la wezon chod want to keep make ni ho vam ben bati Ŋdi Wɔna enya ji Tony Boy ye mi apolo so fi fia sele ko meda ko ne kata ba ni le ka o ma patni ke nyamro nyam ko sam tv o ji harwa nyabo ku ji ka va o ta ni baba sha baba jamta Facebook YouTube ni la fuma bo all right nyaga po headline the cover ora mia aide the national voice democratic politics, not flags nor insults, fellow Ghanaian citizens. Democratic politics, not flags nor insults, fellow Ghanaian citizens. All right, I'm ready to sumo Ragbani Okpa war G of so mina sway for to proper in here. Manya Jew, Manya Chief Amarero, my mother here. Edu Buahin trial records over 60 contradictions between AG and his own witnesses. Edu Buahin trial records over 60 contradictions between AG and his own witnesses. So where Edu Buahin for a nyai colorful for a nyai lufia ke amevia se for yo ke attorney general can you for senyalaga ba no ba do se for na ya over nyao masosomo over ba magbati jamo le si black de son alo te black de son Amoyo ke vabe yo nye dase fo no blonya ko gatrona ade totro regime along my regime that the blood de son fraudulent transfer of shares in Bill's microfinance null and void. Fraudulent transfer of shares in Bill's microfinance null and void. Joanna Quay sues RNAQ, Ewa and Company. Alright, over Amaro Yokotso shares alo amuko nkuka yoko fare Bill's microcredit. You could have a quick credit chan. Ucho Maroko nkuka yoko ufa choko na mabubu la mo ya mo fitistingwa ma la ma o. Ka amaga yikanya Bill's micro credit do papa no la. Yono tata restaurant malafma ya restaurant code. Ada strong gadra nyare mono bobu nyongwa elema ka wofa apo masron kple tachi homasron bono tatawo ma jemle afuma. World Bank blames Atoforsen and Finance Ministry's bureaucracy. World Bank blames Atoforsen and Finance Ministry's bureaucracy for delays in Garrett flood project. For that Gajaro for Ikanya Chigu Kata, Lekika Kata Maglugoto, for Habobo, for Gajaro for Wokom, but Atoforsen, Blair Finance Ministry. Atoforsen, Blair Finance Ministry, for Shatra, Alo, Magla Donchi, Alo Jimachmachra Donchi, and our Kaiko Java or Alaba Wacho, Garrett flood projects Dafore Kanaba Chimara Mo Avachimagwe Atofosene Gludo Bao Hermagwina. Young innovators from Greater Accra shine through GSTP. Alright. So here Roma Olafma were Alright, me Daily Graphic. Odo River drainage contract terminated. Well, Westminster tells Parliament. Odo River drainage contract terminated. Westminster tells Parliament. The Odo River, Odo, Tof, Marolo, Alu, Baroda, Odo River, nye, Torikele Kinka, Magaro, Pulam, 40, non Alakare, Coach, Diana Maraba, or no, Gotamaham, Ano, Chiamaham, got up like Pridjo, son, or Clara Tomanchi lagi. Kaka namara lagi jamanya ba odori baganda lagi. Arabo roson ko vale chata. Ka jigupa tomaga ka pona. Jigupa to da shina ro kisimo bloda South Apahama ba utapaku odori ba contract member. Government releases 350 million Ghana cedis for flood intervention. Jurura Chiga 350 million. Ghana Simoga para Monchi. America Abel Funo, the Fio Yoka Ayadu. Alashivado Fanya Blomola. Alright, holiday break. Daily graphic web tracker Bona. Yo either Yoko Bajo Alabama Republic Day. Tracker by Republic, Hokucho, direct tracker Bonaji, which is Friday. Ramata, Yomadogo, Yova, Joragba. President leads nation in prayer to Koklola John Rawani Mamano Tatalifia, a tracker by the State House. A nongona, Subolo Club Baturala, or Dugbera. Two do Kokodashin and Mouth. NIB bounces to profit path. Kajarapo Gana Kaika Fashi Rika Majiru Fashile NIB over Fifia Oja Vide Popo Oja Vide Popo. Alright, Miazorangwapo, the Meridian. Adansi Asokwa Agenda 111 project faces setback as illegal miners encroach on surrounding lands. Adansi Asokwa Agenda 111 project faces setback as illegal miners encroach on surrounding lands. Ogola Adansi Ntoame, Adansi Asokwa Ntoame, Konji, Ike Jiruko kwa Nanado Danko Akufuado, Jetutu, Ikenya Konjalo Fareka, Kiaro, Odowatoreka, Penya Bomolefia over a domejimo, Kalamse Pulo Kata, or the Globu, Konjanchi Kata, or Puerto Contramubu. All right, Edu Buahin trial. Edu Buahin trial. 60 contradictions emerged between AG and his own witnesses. 60 contradictions emerged between AG and his own witnesses. After marking rallies used behind Baumia Digital Vision at UMAT Summit. After marking rallies used behind Baumia's Digital Vision at UMAT Summit. Okay, after marking phone. The UMAT joy can so work or a car again. Odem Fifian or Nara Tuman, but young Plepper Gandran Yara Tuman. When you making book, Motomatora Galapo of Maka with Bomber, Sorokatan or a caliber of Dr. Mabudu Bamianchibo, Giara, if more than don't prefer Popo, Ikalashi, Equia, Ika, Aquamiatoria, Roy. All right, NADMO Zoom Lion launched multi-scale drain clearing exercise to curb flooding in Greater Accra. Probably, you could talk for a capona afokupata of Judge Oklama Jomanoji, the Zoom Lion. You can look at the Garrick Bona Bahuro, Chaching for Nyaji, the Napa, assume got down, Brasil go to. Or a car all over war got a Mahama Kakago, plus Monachigacha. My God, all right, when batting from Dion, Jim, don't give a Tony Mabania from 0242 670 in a couple of shit. That's all I got a count of claim 0242 670 and your number can I call a check up a claim. Na yom le Ghana Opashak ba machoga. Kana batatu korama ka plus 233 alo 00233 na nongone number 00233 242 670 00233 242 670 na nongone number alawa nyachacho. I will be exclusive. Be exclusive. Mahama warns youth against drug abuse. Mahama warns youth against drug abuse. Floods don't happen by chance. Mahama warns youth against drug abuse. Floods don't happen by chance. All right, to Corporal John Dramani Mamono Tata Elefia from a choker, but so over. No, you amachi was as a machi at Tamavono, no. I chalk as a swimmer now. I burn up Agbatuma. And I don't know, don't let you keep a chominiarka magavano naoshi. Oh, floods don't happen by chance. Floods don't happen by chance. Mahama, you gabo gombe. Echimak chuna kodamo, Echimachuna kodamo. All right, Ghana Revenue Authority extends filing date to July 6 after floods. Jirupa Dofika Pona Jogao Jojo tax hawk the country Shibocomber. Yagana Virginia coming in for Adbina, but Suba wa Akutane. A jogao for a contao, a jogava contao, nayo. Global adopts LBM gold pricing system and permanent drain desilting is Ghana's best defense against flooding. Some Sami, Jenfiama la Fumaba, yo that when I wrote to Mancho, Ashikakare. shika nchiale okashi shika jalo do shika nchimbo suwe finera wane rokishi shika kufo rokishi shika ku dofu kata prachirura hasha permanent drain desilting is Ghana's best defense against flooding. Aga piarima ya poncho ikenye managing editor environmental managing editor na den na jobana ya gbogbombe gota ma ha kwela gota ma ha yekwi atem are minara foku pata ko joma gota ma yekwi nyatem ato ako alavu all right bana recover rogal banya fiat chacha Gamancha leads call for environmental discipline to tackle flooding in Accra. Gamancha leads call for environmental discipline to tackle flooding in Accra. NADMO Zoomlion launched multi-site drain clearing exercise to curb flooding in Greater Accra. Give thanks to God despite floods, deaths, and destruction. Mahama, give thanks to God despite floods, deaths, and destruction. Mahama. Steve Mantiao links flood crisis to Cecilia Dapa, demands accountability for drainage funds. Steve Mantiao links flood crisis to Cecilia Dapa, demands accountability for drainage funds. Edubuahin trial records over 60 contradictions. All right, that name for the Supreme newspaper, Magaman checking again, up with Yagan, up on Joy, Kawai, Yerakomi, Blomber, Bible Blomber, Gan. Top of yellow gown with yaga need the chu ye brother the Gamanche king Takitete Churu the second. The Gamanche king Takitete Churu the second and the Gan Traditional Council have called on for unified efforts to address the recurrent flooding challenges in Accra, describing the situation as both an environmental and civic responsibility requiring collective action. In a press statement issued in Accra, the council expressed sympathy to families, traders, motorists, and communities affected by recent heavy rains and caused flooding across the capital. Dagin wefiaga ngba choro ra babo khabano yekpede shiwa chipamara yekaya nyaw bramau where do afi chinara mo kede ya nyato to bobo ya metro chi jajam auchan tamaha ezikitanya chaba to suba emionto nyanu jaja nyinu alo ne chi ja po moto afi ko be ai. All right, Mahama Blomonya cho le kana kata go do pa da soli mare ke ji blog tura ona re ke ji de kincho emi da kona mauga echi de mi o mere mi o akujo kumacho angbara mmagbeglo ida kona mao subo borara ma yo na subo echi ajamo dole umo akujo re ji o borara ma yo na subo Mahama Blomonya ma Steve Wantia over Cecilia Dapa he. Yeba guy okolo, you go Johnny Bonoko do got out, but all the king Tommy Pama Realme. I feel achieving Yadamanta. When that TV friend Yona, when Yaro winning you. That's wrong. I put daily searchlight, right? Daily searchlight. Judiciary and lawyers urged to adapt to AI, digital media, and changing legal practice, Justice Yani. Judiciary and lawyers urge to adapt to AI, digital media, and changing legal practice. Okay. Justice Yani Kenya Bondola, Untapudu Motoraka, Job Gombe, Gondropo, Senyalao, Bela Mekata, Wanaseto, Regana, no strong cause of Morandon, Yo. Bela fungo bela paramu ato akwere over nyamchicha over evidence and the paper bala kuru kashi the odashi hisia amo maga paper kuru zam text messages SMS email plato makata zamo ta tifia Morang dong pioli koko perung jiwa meale blora meale umiara amarin to yara mokata no sao chopere don chiwanya bere bla ma photocopy panya morako. Flooding. Ghana's politicians have failed Dr. Asa Asante. Flooding. Ghana's politicians have failed Dr. Asa Asante for mucho ke akbobe nanaru dan kwa kufuado ple John Romani mama ono talefia ke yapo to popla ko ya ogwamba me o ke yapo noro o dada fu ne wowe tromito e mama no nya chimano nya demo Accra flooding and national security threat and reported Accra flooding and national security threat and reported na kwa ta puncho chiani adema anya na nikata adbaria ko to kata da Sahel extremist groups are advancing southward toward Ghana. Military Sahel extremist groups are advancing southward towards Ghana. Badagba amaga abuncho direko awogrombe amagba ku yokacho jogba oji ogbo na ba Ghana rofo yokwa magba ku gara aro yokocho jogba jo te Ghana terrorists kenya badagba ma ko aro badagba yoko bichi all right, yeah, the Daily Guide. Dada Joe Remix pleads guilty in $4.4 million US romance scam. Dada Joe Remix pleads guilty in $4.4 million US romance scam. The Kajak Bomb Lefma, Dada Joe Remix, Oli, over a chona here, Sophie Namawe, Ajano. Achon here did just of you. Gamma yoke, Ushon poor Nahoshio, but on Rata, Jonah here, Blana or Choconopo Casino way. Alright, Galam says, invade and Dancia Soquach and the 111 hospital site. Jonah Quays use RNAQ bills microcredit for fraud. Cars, bodies float in waters 3 days after deadly flood. Cars, bodies float in waters 3 days after deadly flood. Parliament ratifies 6 bilateral agreements. And Republic Day holiday. All right, Dagba Wobacho Matogo, Selma Danro Yoga, Dashmo Bono, Alo Dosh Dashiote on your circuit, Ablam in the Kanakata, Uchukone to Coppola. Wo Bato, Wachi Tongo, Wo Bato, Oema Chitongo, a Chikaja. The Hosra was Jura, Bapanya Blomina, my love over Congo. Batorimo, Olechima of Wo, Ukatachi law, Alawa, Ukata, Wajaku, Amopopom. All right, the National Enquirer. A Dubois trial, AG own witnesses on headlock. A Dubois trial, AG own witnesses on headlock. A Dubois, Panya, who provided a bomb, Boblefitu, Cabato, Blomole, Kameoka. Nyato alo nyachola o yo nyato injira jiu ko senyala ko kule choiro bon to ko da se fo ko egbon la gbe je mo si blade so no maro 24 economy gains momentum parero que le fiamo poco zitano le fia bapo Rashid Taupo le fia minister for labor le yo ponchi maro ba zakla ke le fa dona yo ke yo to make 24 economy jet to bolo Ayo, Yo Sunyani to host 2026 Farmers Day. Over the Sunyani Toma, Bonum Tomara, ye Agwedala for Abo, Tapo Wana, Aruda, Wananchi, Ano, Rongi Pekawai Maho, Nofia, the host of stadium, Aide Sunyani. Bus fares, rent, and school fees push Ghana's inflation to 5.3%. Bus fares, rent, and school fees push Ghana's inflation to 5.3%. Abuja, Hofatu, Sukufi, Katalama, Washi, Gaji, Pele Ghana. Washi Gaji, Ujo, Hofatu, Bala Sukufo. Wopaji na mukatakaji alabena paiji kwa muhate torano vyaji ujoiji ko amecho mucho branya dereji ko meha dereji hapo fujoiji chomo washi ko shi show da kan ko moji ujo eleji anwolo lo bashi hoshi rama ta mo fachi da jimlo medical trust fund boosts access to medicines. Reject drugs, Mahama urges youth. Mama Brona so who went to Amachi Von Zazalo. President John Mahama has called on Ghanaian youth to embrace integrity, reject drug abuse, and avoid shortcuts to success, stressing that discipline, hard work, and responsible conduct are essential to building a prosperous nation. You're speaking at the 2026 National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving on Crown Wednesday, June 1, under the theme Resetting Our Values to Build the Ghana We Want. Stature. Le Badura Wɔna Ikeji, Black Badata Wɔna Ikeji, Mama Maunya Yoga, Lone Setomania Goro, no Bijo, Bavama Chufon, no, and the Benya, documentary ratio, Marco Abrogona Tofiataco, Babu, Bujina, on door for door, Alabama Casino door. Yo, Nya Wumple Africa today. Africa today. NADMO Zoom Lion launched multi-state drug clearing exercise. NADMO Zoom Lion launched multi-site drain clearing exercise. Ebola Piam family reaffirms ownership over Sotum lands, urges developers to avoid unauthorized dealings. Ebola Piam family reaffirms ownership over Sotum lands, urges developers to avoid unauthorized dealings. Anya Sotum MP commiserates with flood victims. Anya Sotum MP commiserates with flood victims. President Mahama alert health danger looms in parts of Accra as uncollected waste piles up in homes. Health danger looms in parts of Accra as uncollected waste piles up in homes. Waterway demolition loom in Bon Katamanso. Flooded landowners unpermitted. Waterway demolition loom in Bon Katamanso. Flood dead landowners unpermitted. Dr. Adam Sabafia praises Mahama era sports reforms for improving ordinary citizens' lives. All right, yeah, for the Africa today, on your joya, over Sotum, and ya for Sotapa Hamira, Garamilka, Chivarich, Alba, Facono. To couple of Catana, Siva, Nimoponio, Do, Sasare, Alak Panimia, Donava, Bola, the Chamofa Poma, Omnafico, Pogayo. Bola Lormo Vavamo, to Pura, but to Modia to Kumo, to maybe my Fiaraco, Alavici, Lanibama, Reata, Uponio, Dolores San Ava, the Moncatamasun Tama, Obama Shaman, Vicatuco, a chi, not for a luchi, but to work, O Homad Maganan, Adam Sabbath Yakaba Jambazu. She went along Parenton and this top of the Canada to where that one Juranta poem, Abu Popo, Kama the Po to Canacatago, I lay Pomenia, Nadmo, to Ubagacha Moha got Okatame, Abola, Piam, Fumato, Soon to Ŋdi you to in your mark, Hermopomo, about flying back to you, oh, no follow. Tony McBoy and Plon of Battery for Indiana Manajo, Uma, to show for one of Papa Jam, like Amsuma, who should Pierre, Joan Macbeda, Bokanama Trova, Nyazorango, Ajo Yam, a bonafide.
No silence ever English dictionary, but see dictionary, a Kazuafi, the passing K. No silence ever English dictionary, standard, ton, standard, yeah. And you know the view, and you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, Alola language, Nanya make a maneuver by view, and they are strong but Praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a nanya by view, Mujurapo, and they are strong but Baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know, Mama. Yala dile ko so madene na kple atia place order le Amazon allo number ka na call screen Nigeria opo dumi to de ka na WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Nusilins Ever English Dictionary akwa koveno akpe Nusilins Ever English Dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to Boye. Tanya too much toy. Boye Thursday.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never had too much to move. I'm not go.
That another Abraham Fibaraka in LA. I party to call for Boye. But the husband did not know fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara Gay.
Well, when not Chico,
Vai, but I can use Subo. In the big that is the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This vola piki.
yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to ona una masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la apoi kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe okana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina ne miayi Vola basenta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Achite padaka Ufuto makata Mele to wonyi Jengo Aplau, Victoria Park, Afima Nakodo, what to come, what Puto, Wofukame, Wofukama Tutu Dokada, Vola Heba Center, Dr. Prosper Debeneva, Nakodo. Come on.
Kadung kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo.
Yo miapang pola. Nda kwenye kataba ni le Ewenyigba for Ŋdi Wɔna for ji Tony Magboy nya miaplom ngo James le nya gbole fia ke choke vai nya for New Patriotic Party for Ashanti Ntongo for Jimanola Boye Thursday ano court a cho Jimyapo yo no tata uche nkeke be wa awo judgment alo uche nkeke be na wa achwafia ke cho ikawaya bushakono court alawe ba wora baba pajimia mi wo oche 20th of July pajimia mamile 20th of July ba wa achwafia ta ekro dogole court achwa numa ye yijema edogole court alabeni pobre achwe pashiko ka anyingba alawe ako to me chama mutu nya marika funa mpe totete funa ample unsa alakraka bebe ke joy ke baya yema bo sha kwalema ke mikbobo agbojo ejejema buru gbojo na kinyem popo ma ejejema buru gbojo na lodo enwodo se samnene or something of the sort that chairman want to remember Boshaku is from court and bobo ba foot adoreji boy amohu if ya bobo dona court the kwasi ko to anyba ko to me mi masang magomo menya nkatututu enye ma eya kple eviareka akobe eviareka yema kple nchi maro eviareka la nchi ba gere fofuma boya mahu okosi tonyba kotuma chairman want to me for nyawma nkene kwacho want to me for mi awo wonchi 02426 abakele evialema na po yo dila kota go yo dila kota ko edia bula umagbe kakawa yongola fo that's chairman want to me New Patriotic Party ubwa mahama yeah nkasona la chairman want to me for matoto ya nchi nkasona la chairman want to me for kuhia nchi ngena pocho ni kaje jom the chairman want to me all right madakwane mikatamba mila Ewenyigba TV wana ponk nya azorango nya jojoro ha ole miabo to betatu ko magbona mi dongo bana yilia mi chana ba nya po nya jojoro kavaro yoka ucho betatu ko me awon kuno we Ghana kple Nigeria penyao odere kasobe Ghana kple Nigeria penyao ode sosobe ta mafufuga ile Nigeria tuko abe nyamaho yoyara uyom le nicho ikabai show Port Harcourt le Nigeria alawe amana yo manyamba nya jojo kakala manya na chicha do mo wana yo ba yiba ya biya bo nya ba achi yo katada na Nigeria achi ngla na Nigeria manya na mambo nya manya ba achi ngla na Nigeria kra obo achi ngla na Nigeria yo sam hakmamba achi nglam le Ghana afia ha ta eya ta yejibe minya ba na mola Nigeria ma so mi jima ko Nigeria for headlines so aka fi mi ayira fi man toka le giano cho le giano akpobo le tema utome echi damu le gbegbe ke onaminya ba ulo anwu provision so abatiro akpono ajale leto mo kata wulo kokore agbajarufa alogba home akechiva kaka agbo agara agba home denwo ta na kpole nyo ti yaji akpobo amumo lo ngoreta ofotiro tishu ajale msham ke anzazanko ke ofo dogo acho ta enye nwa achipa gbagba achipa gbagba roma. All right, so nyafan kpolo yakleto wele Ewenyigba TV for Wɔna G. Okay, fine. Nia aga kponya jogba de cover rora kuma fodo chuchu piade afimia jonya me Nigeria ntome akpomi aleke chingbe mejibe nyaso anyao nyaso nyao ni ke jojo Nigeria po daily champion dale Nigeria miap just impression ke pokok bole ke Nigeria ko nyajo jogba no la bole ko no ko ngora bole ke o load na site over newspapers and all that and see the graphic excellence and all that. All right, miapo daily champion, just a quick one. Amule Fmaza Dakai Majima Boye bandits wreak terror in Benue, kill scores, abduct pastor, 2 church members. Government allow others manhunt, troop kills 662 terrorists in Q2 in 2026. Vision for better Nigeria drives my ambition. Interesting. So these are some of the things. Well, Nigeria, just an example, bandits kill, scores and abduct pastor. I'm daily championship. Just Bole Kenya Jota so the Ghana Tora in Castro in Lechume. Nekpo Banota over CBN revokes licenses of 46 microfinance banks over breaches, appoints NDIC as official liquidator. Akbobele Nigerian Tomaha 46 microfinance companies. Now, no Nigerian microfinance companies almost a back. Nenamake Kenya Lima microfinance ekbele do komo malbebe. So CBN revokes licenses of 46 microfinance banks over breaches. CBN revokes licenses over 46 microfinance banks over breaches. That O2 bank on my blood and vote on bounces. Okay, you see, microfinance bank in Nigeria is as big as a universal bank in Ghana, trust me. That O2 microfinance bank on my blood and vote download Nigeria. All right, let's look at the Liberty. Liberty. World Bank approves 1.25 billion Nigeria loan despite backlash. The Nigerian High World Bank boga home Nigeria 1.25 billion loans in Nigeria. So the World Bank has approved a fresh 1.25 billion loan for Nigeria amid public concerns over the country's rising debt burden and repeated calls for federal government to reduce external borrowing. Okay, that's interesting. So schools closing Bono community against insurgent attack and on and on. So we see that in the Liberty. Both the Hope, another newspaper from Nigeria, just a quick one, flooding. Well, Amos I call it Togo, Benin, but that green, 2 moments. So let's just do something. Flooding, this is what I wanted you to see. Flooding, FG warns of looming disaster as climate change disrupts rainfall. Interesting. Flooding, FG warns of looming disaster as climate change disrupts rainfall. The federal government, so flooding, and federal government, that's FG, warns of looming disaster as climate change disrupts rainfall. So presidency urges Nigerians in vulnerable communities to prepare as rains intensify, calls for stronger drainage systems early warning measures, climate resilience nationwide. Ondo threatens demolition of illegal structures to avert flooding. Ondo threatens demolition of illegal structures to avert flooding. Ondo State, Ondo State, and the state governor, so, Boye Kenya Jojo de Sosobera, Uber, Wo, Fiaso, a Hozuzio, Fiasio Ture, a Chipomo, Jiplamo, to Glagota, to Bangalam, don't tome, the Jidu, a federal government, right? Nigeria Katago to Pajiru, a move of regulation in Nigeria, a move of regulation in Nigeria, Yamotro, a Chicha Chances, Sanako. Kameo Kata, Leto, to Paliuma, a Jevano Jaga, Albo, Oraso, Aire. Toji Nigeria penya magome Boye Kenya Jojo to sample Ghana penya jojora miawum ple omavare ko the Guardian put the Guardian rather Nigerians hopeful of lower prices relief as federal government slashes tariffs na bo of ma ko a chief family the chief gbegblon and na be wo khwese ba jidudu na dashime albe nwo pashina didive ta ekpokpogele the Guardian newspaper Whereas a chima, Jana chime, Makbo watermelon, Makbo toto, Makbo cucumber, Ukiroshi de chimel in Nigeria. Ukiroshi de chimel in Nigeria, Makbomile, over your home, sub Nigeria, your home, sub Jira Garm, Alba, Umupashina did relief as FG, that's federal government slashes tariffs. That Yohiana Boje, Yohiana Jiruabe, what did he adjogao taxes? Okay, Nigerians hopeful of lower prices relief as FG slashes tariffs. Oh, I mean, that's just what we have Nigeria and Toma, federal government, okay, Nigeria federal government, Tinubu for Jirua, Edidia Jogao, Edidi taxes, oh, Edidio Prosube, and Monabo Labe. Watermelon kulito majamu la chima yema kpome le the Guardian so Boye Nigeria oduko Ghana oduko plenya jojo so me mo yema to aduera ya won play the nation if you like the nation or maybe second to last now manamako ko nanye amakpopo bo garejin ta majimanya na amakpopo nya garejin ko nyanya le kemia ororo the nation INEC. Our 93 million voter register contains names of deceased. Aina Kenya Jirufa Dohike Kwana Akoda Nyaoji. Okay. The Independent National Electoral Commission. That's INEC. The Independent National Electoral Commission in Nigeria Gurumbe. America have 93 million. Wowe le Yopakoda Galamobe. Ujebo da Kogaka. Amokukulo Manza. Boye Kenya Jojo le Dukoma Mira. All right. Government slashes customs levies on imported vehicles. Jidudu edidia jogayo ke ochoda damde evuyoke chok betadu komave odi dim le Nigeria. So Ghana politicians, Ghanaians, what are you learning from this? Last one, the leadership. The leadership. The leadership, I'll stop on that. About CBN's revocation of 46 licenses cuts microfinance banks to 785. CBN's revocation of 46 licenses cuts microfinance banks to 785. CBN is Central Bank of Nigeria. CBN is Central Bank of Nigeria. Nigeria, woho bank who's alo central bank alo susujo gajaro for your plan for adano for magbede plan jiru twafokbo no ya for la umamore rodomo. Nigeria plaga panya mio kajola Ghana bo pato jojo Nigeria gba mio jojo Nigeria gba umuna jojo Ghana pato fo echida wa Nigeria jidudu didi ajogao yoko kokomji rosubo mo pasira didi okwesebe na jidu lavu alo didi ya go komle do come view sheko and fashi adidi. So there's another things what we have in that country. Nigeria's unbudgeted spending hits 8.83 trillion naira as deficit worsens by 2% of GDP. IMF. Nigeria ha IMF. Aleke ko miamia IMF da doncho nana do danko akufo aropo for mamne ama for foi na mamma varo in choyaku akpashi be afio rashian chibe vivo abo mekagavo na makola Nigeria ma ntagbo nyele na jojo de sosoge echia madam la me ba to katame ala ba ya ma ho ami na ma bukala na ya obogo nyebe echia madam Nigeria echia madam Ghana ata Ghana egale bali mawu Nigeria ta nyanya to ga sosogawo bo Nigeria kraka obodo buji be the geography world geography maro even that baremo yobazo Ghana echigagbonaro echigagbona nyamyo kala to to nyamyo ka nechija chana jijinga komanani nechija ga to na ficha na nia oba echija ga bukaka anyiba matenga echianigo anyiba matega echianugo ta mashama na jira ngoro de unva jura ngotama na wardrobe la sio bona uroro kashino ngona no yama mamena wa bono no nyimba na kafla no jo maraka banya chomulo oba ne ejaruari prevention is better than cure magwe rubeme javaro javadia babeshamu ni mameno gbona tamino jajaruma. All right, Tony Maguire na Ŋdi Wɔna mama kodum chuchu kiare alove motrova magaje pakumi migajo haro.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya tepe. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo language. Nenya make a manyaba view. And be a strong background. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know how I must make a nenya view module for. And be a strong background. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile ko so madana na kple. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can follow screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp. Afisi African la. Nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno. Akbe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. joy.
Oh, Belima. Ibadah kwelam lomo, keke tu boy. Tanya cuma traditoy. Bukannya wangsa kple.
Oh.
Nengma fam. Nengma datang matu. Kamu masih kau. Oh, belum.
Dari Nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile nuna fia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontam nya nfuro wa. Bola pasi ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ku no e plolo.
Va vai batakalo subo. Ita bi gada de fikremon tonto. Bola pati ke wa wusielo weto fira.
Ba yire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa to do wala to fita. Ita nye za vola chika. Mia to ma toro ha. Wo za vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apo le old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina ne miayi vola basenta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola e fi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now a ti de padaka o futo makata mele to wonyi de wa e ti maklo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu kame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vikle de fio mo hofo wie fo
TVG ba afima ahodon chichuma mino comparison mo son aleka mo lele Ghana fia aleka mo le Nigeria ha echipa medele alebebe ta majibe nya troy de TV adi nya kpo aleka chi damo le temanto ma enwo yi kala agba ho ma enwo yo kala agba ho ma o wa lo mo do kala agba ho o wa lo mo ko do kala agba ho ma ke enabe enwo yo ke amo o ba Chinese okun fa do fe nyete pa kameka funwa
I work for inside
amare ke enye Ghana vi ika domla dofa obo olo mo correct pa legbegbe provision so subo alekeleke gbegbe re dofa me ke eike echia jajaja ko echia rogbu arama tutu agbo mu gbo echia gare mame gare agbajarufa alwe ovayu kakamolo mukata dogo. You see, so that's what we are having on our screen, and a very, very interesting thing over there. So echia data, so that's it. So water opens gates to a warehouse, okay, and onlookers or people in the surrounding make away with provision items, okay. So that's what we have over there. We are not able to satellite diplomatic TV Itemia ko sem tutu ta ena be mi akpom. All right, so micho moko ko do ta frache de emata micho moko ko to ta fasile emata alekele gbegbe mi dororo alekeke nyatem awe osube mi maga poku hema azon. All right, that's what we have. The comments are coming in. Amonya blom amo comments ogbosum alegbegbe ke nya makhlando esinam do message nam to however indina mi Tony McBoy. This is warehouse indeed. We are watching live from Hohwe, and this video has been trending. This is interesting, but the question is it better for the items to be left to soak, or so that's that. Eshina kubadiamba near aleka mumwalongcho warehouse akojo jomere do no ha. Do not FCMA Fimolo, Esinam, FCMana, Chidamoye, me, Baolonko, Jome. I think that is not good enough. That's like stealing or burglary. Kaka, Esinam, Biamba, Karo, no one, Oblamora, Fumaba, Chinam. All right, thank you. I messaged the car, Bacho for Kuma Gober. Good morning, Uncle Tony. So water break the place open and rush is like market the God of Ghana. All right, thank you for your message, and I appreciate your message a lot. And move around yi hacha chamyagba onye chief jaja pluto ta misu gbarafia gbo ta miawe na makon monyor ma miawo message so dagre screen aji. All right, Tony, thank you very much for the show and this beautiful thing you are doing for Ewenyigba. So, but to be fair, if government stock food and water, and it's not reaching people, what do you expect apart from Domara? Thank you for the message. Agbentinami, I'm in a flower right now, and everybody's talking about this. The station, they do well for bringing this live. And my name is Dora. Thank you for your message. Good morning to Tony McBoy. Some of those people are thieves. Warehouse. All right. Warehouse or no warehouse, we should call this land or be my own. Stealing. My name is Mike from Akachara. Thank you for your message. Miapon Bola. Chacha Mianchi. Madakbanan. But you can watch a Roma backling, Ŋdi Wɔna Pakpa, the Kuhe the Cavarota, Nyase, a Batorafia, Nyanjecho. Bye bye.
Nane mano monsieur, eye na menzwale. De konak moda. Menye de me fion yo, ayaye pomlo, de konakonye moda, menye de me chio, ayaye womlo, ayakwe womlo. Amenda evi, na holode ameda